my wife goes, "Lassa writing," and knowing that this could be a trick question which is going to lead to a massive argument 5 years down the line, I just said, And then she said, "Good for the name, no?" And the rest is history as we know it. And here we are celebrating and witnessing two amazing hearts coming together.
Finally,
Yeah, so many other
brides.
Sammani and Dineth are two different personalities who have gone through many ups and downs in life. Individually, we've seen to inspire each other, encourage each other, and grow together. Apart from all the differences, they share so many things in common. The respect they have for each other's families. Dineth, Sammani, may your love be modern enough to survive the times and old-fashioned enough to last forever. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Cheers to the new Mr. and Mrs. Alagoon.
Your heart has to be followed. Be somebody with me. If you feel like running, the grass is greener inside your heart, and I'll be there if it falls apart. Love who you're becoming. Sometimes we win, but sometimes we fall. Your story still remains untold, so go. Your heart has to be followed, and whoa.